A real friend is one who walks in when the rest of the world walks out. Being deeply loved by someone gives you strength, while loving someone deeply gives you courage. You don't love someone for their looks or their clothes or for their fancy car, but because they sing a song only you can hear. Sometimes two people have to fall apart to realize how much they need to fall back together. To know when to go away and when to come closer is the key to any lasting relationship. Love doesn't make the world go around. Love is what makes the ride worthwhile. Age does not protect you from love, but love, to some extent, protects you from age. The emotion that can break your heart is sometimes the very one that heals it. Truth is, everybody is going to hurt you. You just gotta find the ones worth suffering for. Nobody has ever measured, not even poets, how much love the human heart can hold. We cannot be sensitive to pleasure without being more sensitive to pain. Don't try to be something to everyone. Be everything to someone. For too many people are looking for the right person instead of trying to be the right person. Relationships end too soon because people stop putting in the same effort to keep you as they did to win you. Don't be too much possessive in relationship. It will ruin the entire connection. Be patient and open-minded in your interactions with others. Find the positive attributes that they possess. Distance means so little when someone means so much. Relationship is not about kiss, hugs, and romance. It's all about trust and never going up on each other.